Hey, hey, girls. Hey, girls, wake up. I'm going to teach you about something. I'm going to teach you about the cell cycle. Jack, what? It's so early. Yeah, and I really need my beauty sleep. I mean, look at me. This isn't easy. Okay, calm your narcissism. Now, this here is a cell. I'm going to teach you about the cell cycle. It is currently in the interphase right now. It grows to its mature size, its full big boy size, and it makes a copy of all this here chromatin and DNA and all that junk. See, this is the nuclear envelope or the nuclear membrane. It's not going to be there much longer. And these are called centrioles, and they're little spindle fibers. It's very fun. Now we have moved into our prophase. These are now chromosomes, or pairs of chromatids. They're one, but they're together. These are centromeres holding them together. And what's going to happen, see, is this nuclear envelope is going to start to break down. See, it's going away. It's going away. And now, see, the centrioles have now moved to the opposite sides of the cell. And the spindle fibers are starting to attach to the chromosomes here. And eventually, you wind up with this, which is mitosis B, or metaphase. See, everything's lined up, all the chromosomes are lined up, and these spindle fibers are about to pull away at these chromosomes. They line up, and they're getting attached right at the centromere. See, they're starting to get pulled away from each other. And eventually, once they're pulled away enough, you get into the third step of mitosis, which is the anaphase, where it's kind of starting to look like two different cells, if you know what I mean. You know why? Because it's about to split into two cells. See, the centromeres will split, and now instead of chromosomes, you got individual chromatids. Okay? And there's new genetic materials that move to the opposite sides of the cell, like they are. Okay? And the cellular membrane starts to reform. See, they're getting grouped up, getting all grouped up, and eventually, y'all gonna start to see this reform, see? It's now reforming, it's totally there, and now it's all contained in a nucleus. Again, this is now the telophase, the fourth step of mitosis. The new nuclear envelope forms around, and the DNA is separated from the rest of its cytoplasm. And now, there are two different cells, okay? And now, because it's all safe, all this genetic material, it's been starting to unwind because it's fine. It's all in a nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. So it's okay. And it starts to unwind even more until we get to cytokinesis, the last step of the cell cycle, where the cycle is ready to start again. The cell membrane kind of pinches in around the middle of the cell, and eventually it just splits in two. See? Like I said, it splits in two. Now these two daughter cells each have identical set of chromosomes, and about half of the organelles is the same, but they have, they just have half the organelles. Like the mitochondria split, everything got split up and divided. It's very interesting. So that about sums it up. Girls, you got any questions? No. Thanks, I guess. Yeah, thanks. It was really educational. I mean, not that I'll ever use any of this, but hey, it's good to know. The more you know. Hey, girls, the more you know, you're going to do great things, okay? Okay, thank you. Thanks, bye. Bye, girls. Oh my god, he's like such a dork. I know, but I mean, I think we should cut it some slack. Girl, I'm not hanging out with him. If anyone's going to dance with him, is you, because I ain't never doing that. You should really be more respectful. Girls, okay, we're leaving. I just stole your accent. Mm-hmm.